Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another Dollar Tree haul. Just a small little, mainly everything is really repeat stuff, nothing exceptionally new. I don't think anything was new in here. I think everything is a repeat that I purchased before, nothing probably the same. But anyway, I just want to say thanks for liking, watching and subscribing. I can't talk. Thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. And welcome, and I hope you stay. So I picked up some more of these Dollar Tree stamps, which we've all seen. These are not anything new, right? Just as extra stocking stuffers. I picked up some more of these, two more. For beads, I went there just to go get some Mod Podge because I thought when I was making my altered clipboard that I was going to Mod Podge some paper versus decoupage paper, but so I didn't need this, but I bought it just in case. And then I picked up just these little gems, the heart and the floral. Picked up some of these because I didn't have any more of that color, and some pink. I picked up some patty paper squares, and you could use these in your craft room as well, but also in your kitchen. I picked up some more adhesive dots, and I picked up some of the colorful blooms. So I didn't have these. And then I did a couple of repeats on these puffy stickers with your little sloth hanging out chilling, and some more of the coffee ones. And then I didn't have this one, and I meant to go see if they had another one, but I like these little fall stickers. I thought these would be cute for an ATC or to use on my gratitude journal in November. So that's why I got those stickers. And then I just picked up some more stencils with the different fonts. And that's pretty much it. So there's so much going on at the Dollar Tree, new stuff, and yeah. And I see more and more of my Dollar Trees are getting the self-pay checkout. So, yeah. So if you haven't seen that, because I saw a couple of you said in the comments y'all hadn't seen it, it should be coming soon. Just like when the Walmarts changed, you know, right after all the stuff happened in 2020. My Walmart was restricted. And when, you know, cashierless, basically. So everything is doing self-checkout, which is cool, but at the same time it's bad because that's people's jobs. I mean, yeah, so that's what I worry about. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.